The old lady is having a raw blood soup. She's squeezing a piece of lemon on the spoon, get the juice only, and she put it on over the blood with some maize wine. Ooh, it must be good for the morning. She eating it now. She just invited me to join her. Ngon không bà? I asked if she's delicious.
Bèo trở về Hà Nội à?
Dạ?
Bèo trở về Hà Nội à? Trở về Hà Nội đấy.
Không. One sip. More. Wow. Blood soup. Sorry, blood soup sausage. Pork. Oh, it's interesting. Bao nhiêu bát tiết canh hả cô ơi? 5.000. So I asked how much for one bowl of blood soup. The lady answered that just 5,000 dong. So $1 you get more than 3 bowls. Oh, cheap, but you have to pay a lot more after that. So hope she enjoyed it, and no problem with her.